Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Check the volume slider and mute status, then disconnect any Bluetooth devices or headphones so sound routes to the internal speakers. Once done, restart your Chromebook to clear temporary audio glitches. This often resets the audio driver. Make sure to open a test audio file or YouTube clip and observe the sound indicator. If you hear nothing, note any error messages and move to the deeper diagnostic step. This ensures you don't miss simple causes before complex fixes. Now you perform detailed checks. Open settings, choose sound, and verify the correct output device and per app volumes. Sometimes an app is muted while system sound is fine. Next, update Chrome OS to the latest version to refresh drivers, then test audio again. If problems persist, use guest mode to rule out profile settings and consider a power wash only after backing up data. Finally, create a recovery USB and re-image the device if firmware or driver corruption remains. For final completion, inspect the speaker grill and ports for debris or damage. Gently clean with compressed air if needed, because physical blockage muffles sound. Run hardware diagnostics in Crash or the manufacturer's test tool to confirm speaker failure. If diagnostics show hardware faults, reseat cables if you can safely open the device or arrange service. Replacement speakers are inexpensive but require disassembly. If none of this works, keep one troubleshooting tip. Test with a USB audio device or Bluetooth speaker to isolate software versus hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.